Sabi ni Edwin Mar, good afternoon po, Sir Fitz. Do you recommend buying individual dividend-paying stock if 1K to 3K lang naman ang kayang i-invest per month? Pagdating sa stock market, meron kasing 8,000 peso rule. And I think very important yun, especially kung magko-cost averaging ka kasi the fees will add up. So kung gusto mo ng dividend-paying na asset, no, I think it would be better kung ang binibili mo na lang ay government bonds, retail treasury bonds, or kung gusto mo, maghanap ka ng mutual fund na nagbibigay ng dividend. Pero mukhang wala masyado sa Pilipinas. But if you need the cash flow, then definitely mga bonds, no, corporate bonds or government bonds. Kung hindi mo naman kailangan in the short term yung pera na yan na ini-invest mo, of course, ang favorite ng lahat, no, Pag-ibig MP2, that can be an option also. Kung kaya mong mag-invest ng 8,000 pesos per transaction, then that's when you can buy an individual dividend-paying stock. And syempre, ang top of mind dyan ay yung mga REITs, mga REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. So if you're really after the dividend or the cash flow, regular cash flow, choose REITs. But since it's an individual stock, to minimize yung iyong mga transaction fees, at least 8,000 yung budget mo dapat per transaction. Yung mga kilala ko, kung nagsisave sila ng 3,000 per month, iniipon nila yon on the third month, 9,000 na yung naipon nila, doon sila bumibili. So instead of investing monthly, quarterly sila nag-i-invest. Every 3 months sila bumibili. 9,000 pesos worth of REITs. That can also be an option. But if you really want to invest monthly, you can look into bonds, mga mutual funds. Hopefully may makita ka or may accessible sa iyo na dividend paying na mutual funds. But honestly, ako parang wala akong alam na available sa Pilipinas na dividend paying na mutual fund, no, or UITF. So okay na rin yung bonds kung gusto mo yon. And if you're willing to invest or mahaba yung investment horizon mo, at least 5 years, then Pag-ibig MP2 can be an option kasi mayroon siyang quarterly dividends. How much do you suggest to invest in individual stocks per month? Yun, 8. Well, I wouldn't say per month. Ang suggestion ko is at least 8,000 pesos. Kung kaya mo ng 8,000 pesos per month, very good. Kung 8,000 pesos every 2 months or every 3 months, that's still very good. Kung 8,000 pesos per year, parang sayang, no? Meron kang isang taon na hindi kumita yung 8,000 mo. So I would say na better to invest that yung 1,000 ba yan? 1,000 a month, no? Sa mga mutual funds or UITF. So find other investments. But for the stock market, at least 8,000 pesos per transaction. It doesn't really matter kung per month yan or every 2 months or every 3 months. Okay?